Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some sight words. What are sight words? Sight words make up most of our reading and writing. So when you learn these words, you will become more confident in reading and writing. To learn the sight words in this video, look, listen, say, spell, and write each one. Now here are the words to learn. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. An. A-N. An. Any. A-N-Y. Any. Ask. A-S-K. Ask. As. A-S. As. By. B-Y. By. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. From. F-R-O-M. From. Give. G-I-V-E. Give. Going. G-O-I-N-G. Going. Had. H-A-D. Had. Has. H-A-S. Has. Her. H-E-R. Her. Him. H-I-M. Him. His. H-I-S. His. How. H-O-W. How. Just. J-U-S-T. Just. As you learn these words, remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So if you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, check out my other videos on this channel. If you have not yet done so, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell to know when a new video is posted, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.